2 years before, an incident happened between me and my brother. My brother looked very disturbed and irritated. He was reading few lines from Bible. Whoever has will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have, even what he or she has will be taken away. Do you agree with this, Simi? Well, actually it appears unjust, Chandru. What it appears unjust? Don't you see? The rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. Chandru, actually there is a riddle to be solved, a mystery to uncover. When you know, a new world will open up for you. The great mystery is in the hidden word, gratitude. Thank you must be the two words which you must deliberately say and feel. Whoever has gratitude will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken away. Do you all agree with this?
Yes.
So I made my brother explain this. Take a book and write down the things that you are truly grateful for. You would be blessed for many things, just as I have noted. Would you like to have an observe on this? Please look. I am blessed to have my Amma to spread unconditional love with me. Thank you. I am blessed to have Anu to love me a lot. I am blessed to have my grandparents to take care of me. I am blessed to have great gurus in my life to coach me. I am blessed to have my brother Chandru to be affectionate. I am blessed to be a part of the Toastmasters where it's responsible for my transformation and meet great friends over here. Hey, hello, bullshit. Just don't tell me all this. You go and tell your kindergarten children. They are the perfect match for you. It's not my cup of tea. There is a natural tendency in this world where people, especially when we grow up in an environment where people just keep complaining about everything. Chandru's life was pretty challenging. He was in debt and it was increasing more every month. He used to work hard, but then his finances never improved. His relationship was swinging like a pendulum from fair to disaster because he never had time for his own family members. When I could term him as healthy, he would get exhausted by the end of each day. If I say that he was enjoying with his friends, sometimes he did. But having to work even more harder for the pleasures that he had paid, he would have to work more and which he couldn't. That would sweep him away. He wasn't living. He was just surviving from day to day, from paycheck to paycheck. And he couldn't just solve one life problem, the other problem would definitely come into stage. After some time, his life became truly miraculous, merciful. Then he thought of giving a call on what I said, the mystery what I revealed to him. He made up his mind and he discovered a secret of life, the result of which he started practicing gratitude each and every day. The more he practiced gratitude, the more miraculous were the results. He started to count his blessings rather than his complaints. That made a big difference in his life. For the first time in life, he was debt free and he could enjoy his life. His health and energy increased drastically. The problems in the relationship, work and any part of his life disappeared. And instead of facing obstacles, he would see there are good things one on top of the other. His health and energy drastically improved. Later, he came to a conclusion and he told me once, I could hear him humming something. Chandru, I just heard you humming. Is that you? Thank you for letting me fly, fly, fly above the sky. Thank you for letting me cry, cry, cry. Up from deep from the heart. Thank you for letting me smile, smile, smile throughout the day and night. Thank you for letting me fly, fly, fly above the sky. I was really mesmerized by the way he acknowledged me. Can I have just a hug with you? Develop an attitude to gratitude. Think about the very little things that you are truly grateful for. Even in the midst of difficulties, there are things that you can experience, very little things that you are truly grateful and blessed for. Think about the opportunities ahead in future and the opportunities which are virtually unlimited. Start counting your current blessings right now. When you make a list of the blessings, make sure you take your personal life first. Think about the people and even your friends for that matter. Their actions and qualities are those you cannot help, but just be grateful. Just like my friend here, Karthik. Think about the material things, the home, the laptop, car, mobile, everything. You will not know where to stop. Think about the experience in the past and think about the opportunities in the future. And the list will go on. You will not know, am I really blessed for so many things in life? Just be grateful for whatever you are, whatever you have. Keep counting your blessings and your blessings will magically multiply. Over to you.